Hello, good evening. How are you? So, here I am back with another video, that is use of been. Yesterday we talked about be, no? So, let's revise first be. I told you we can use be for indicating a condition or a state of a person or of any person. Okay, now I forget to tell you, I had forgotten that I wanted to tell that we use be to connect subject to its information. हमको एक सब्जेक्ट होता है हमारे पास, कंपल्सरीली इट इज देयर, वन सब्जेक्ट इज देयर, और कुछ उसके बारे में कुछ अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, तो उन दोनों चीज़ों को कनेक्ट करने के लिए हम बी का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नाउ यूज ऑफ नाउ कम टू द यूज ऑफ बीन. व्हाट इज बीन? बीन is second form or past participle form. If I say grammatically, it is a past participle form of be only. That's why I revise first be. Okay, and I forgot the point, which is easily understandable. So be is the second form. So second form means we use in the past. Okay, always we use been with the has, have and had. Okay, so and has and have and had we already talked about that. Has, have and had. We use have for our completed work which is perfectly done. Okay, we use have for our which we have completed, the work which we have completed and which has the relevance now also. No, I already discussed about it, I already told. Now we see that how we use been with has, have and had. Example, I had been a teacher. I have been working for long hours, for many hours or long hours. She had been I have been working for long hours. मैंने बहुत काम कर चुकी हूँ. I have been working for long hours. I had been a teacher. मैं टीचर रह चुकी थी. I had been हो चुका है perfectly और वो खत्म हो गया है, थी past. More examples. Have you been to London? क्या तुम लंदन गए हो? He has been late for class. वो क्लास के लिए लेट हो चुका है. had been teacher. I had been a teacher before I left. See, if we want to remember, no, we can say, or we can say that in easy words, we can say that we use had been for two conditions. If there are two events in the past, there were two events in the past. Okay, what are that two events? One is continuous action and the other one is finished action. Okay, like I am giving example, I had been working as a teacher for 1 year before I left, before I quit. मैं 1 साल के लिए टीचर रह चुकी थी. I had been थी बिफोर आई क्विट. क्विट भी यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, एक फिनिश्ड वर्क हो गया. क्विट, अब मैंने छोड़ दिया है. ओके, लाइक दैट. ही हैड बीन अ HOD ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट, और ही हैज बीन अ HOD ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट. वो रह चुके हैं HOD वो रह चुके हैं वो रह चुके हैं HOD बहुत सालों तक, फॉर ईयर्स. थे नहीं, हैं, मतलब अभी भी हैं. ही हैज बीन. If I am telling had that time, you can say that I am talking about past, but when I am saying has, have, that time you remember that I am talking about present, which is relevant now, but it is perfectly done earlier. Okay, but the work has the relevance till now. Okay, like that. They has been married for 35 years. वो 35 सालों से शादीशुदा हैं. ओके, she has been married for 35 years. Water has been boiled. पानी गर्म किया जा चुका है. Perfectly done. Water had been boiled. पानी गर्म किया जा चुका था. Perfectly done in the past. Like that we can make, and hope you understand. Now I am concluding. Just remember that why I am taking has, have with been, because we already discussed has, have separately. Has separately and have separately and had separately. I have already made videos on has, have and had. That's why I am taking I tell you here has been, had been, और विदाउट उसके, मतलब बिना has, have been के हम उसको been, because been, be is a verb ना, linking verb. Before only I told you be is telling a state, no, and been is the past form. Been is the past form or second form of be. So been also telling a state कि वो क्या था, क्या क्या रह चुका था या क्या रह चुका है, ओके, और अभी भी है. when while using, when we are using have, अभी भी वो चीज चल रही है, still going on, the work is still going on. Okay, when we use have. But when we use had, the work is completed in the past, fully completed. While using have, we use have for the work which we have perfectly completed and which has the relevance now also. Okay, like that we can make the sentences of been, has been, had been and have been. Okay, we use has for what? For singular subjects. No, I'm asking you that time when I said what, no, that time I am asking you ki for what has we use for singular subjects and have we use for plural subjects. Okay, so thank you so much. Good night.